How to use the outputs of LipidMatch flow after you've run all your data through it for statistical analysis with Metaboanalyst. So first, go into your output folder, click the LipidMatch run folder, output, and pause neg_molecular species. Here you'll have all your peak areas that are needed for statistics, as well as all the additional information that comes from LipidMatch flow. So we're going to have to format the file slightly different for import into Metaboanalyst. So first, insert by highlighting row 2 and then clicking insert an additional row. For all headers except for the samples, we'll put NA right under them. This will tell Metaboanalyst to skip these rows, that they don't have the sample information. Now under the samples, you can put your groupings. So for example, sample 1 through 3 are going to be healthy. Sample 4 through 6 are going to be diseased. Once you have your samples and their categories, make sure that there's at least 3 samples per category, or else it will error out in Metaboanalyst. You can create more than 2 categories. Now, Metaboanalyst will also need a way to name each feature. So we can go ahead and insert by clicking column A, and then we can copy and paste the molecular names of each lipid, since these will be unique per feature. And these will be unique. Press Ctrl V and remove the NA so that Metaboanalyst knows to read this row in. Now click File, Save As. In this case, I'm going to put it on our desktop. And if you'd like, rename your file. And close the file. You don't have to save again since you just saved. Now, open up your favorite browser. Click Metaboanalyst, which is metaboanalyst.ca. Click to start and choose statistical analysis. You always have other options as well. So we can remove the R command history unless you're interested in it, but either way, click peak intensity table, samples in columns, unpaired unless they're a paired experiment, and then upload your data file. Click submit. And since there's no error here, it means it uploaded correctly. Otherwise, you'll receive an error. So you can look here. It says 11 empty labels were detected and excluded from your data. Those were all the NAs we put there. So it excluded all those columns. And then other special characters or punctuations, if any, will be stripped off. And so from there, you can do your statistical analysis, your normalization. And we won't go over how to normalize and do statistics on your data because that's very in-depth and there's YouTube videos out there. For example, we recommend from the Wishart lab this video, Metabolomic Data Analysis using Metaboanalyst. And so that should give you a detailed overview of doing your statistics. Just as a quick thing, I want to just show how the names appear. So I'm just skipping the normalization just to show. Now if we go into statistics, note that you can anywhere within Metaboanalyst click a point and it will bring up a box plot. And you see that special characters are removed. So ideally there would be open and closed parentheses here and a colon between 20 and colon 4. So that's just important to keep in mind when you're looking at these figures, that you'll have to adjust them appropriately. So this would be PE 18:0 _ 20:4. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. And feel free to email me, jeremycomel@gmail.com, if you have any questions.